Hi, my name is Carolyn and I'm an independent beauty consultant with MaryKay, here to show you one of my very favorite sets, the Timewise Repair Volu-Firm set. So this is one of the reasons why I started MaryKay, because it made such a huge difference in my skin. So it basically consists of a cleanser, a lifting lotion, moisturizer, one for day and one for night, with this nighttime has retinol in it, and an eye cream. So each ingredient or each product has our Volu-Firm complex in there. And what that means is the 3 ingredients that are vital to skin renewal. So one is a biomimetic peptide, which helps with, sagging skin and wrinkles. Another one is a skin volume supporting peptide, which helps maintain our natural hyaluronic acid, which helps really maintain our youthful looking volume and lift. And then also plant stem cells, which help support the natural framework of our skin. So each one of our products has that in there. So just some unique things about each of the products is our cleanser is super foamy, very luxurious, gentle. It's just nice and cashmere. It just feels so fabulous on. It's just like a pampering experience every single time you use it. So I absolutely love the cleanser. And it really makes your skin feel like just baby soft. And it really promotes the feeling of suppleness. It maintains your moisture balance, and it has a nice rich foam to it, which I really love. The next step would be our lifting lotion. Now our lifting lotion, actually it's a lifting serum, our advanced lifting serum. And so what that helps is basically the target area is like this triangle of youth area. So it has a nice little peekaboo thing on the side so you can see how much it is, how much is left. And then you would, use a pump, and then you would use this area here, up and out, in this area here. And it just feels so fabulous on your skin. But it really helps, tightens the appearance of sagging skin and gives the facial contours a firmer look, helps the cheeks, jawline, and neck appear more firmer and lifted. Now, one thing I want to mention as I'm saying these claims is they're all backed up by hundreds of thousands of tests that we do on our products. Not only that, is we also got the Good Housekeeping seal of approval, which tests all of our claims. And then, so they went through and tested it all and said, yes, it does what you say it does. So that is super huge for me. Especially I came from a background where I was in testing, so of that type of thing. So it was really huge to me to see that they did that type of level of testing. Okay, so after you cleanse, and then you can lift, and then you would moisturize. So you would either use our daytime moisturizer, which is an SPF of 30, which helps protect about UVA, UVB, all of that. It moisturizes for 12 hours. Helps protect against all the external irritants that may come at you during the day. Or we have a nighttime one, which has our encapsulated retinol. So this helps provide a catalyst for the skin renewal. It immediately triples skin hydration and increases skin moisture for 12 hours. Skin regains firmness and the skin's even tone is restored, and it helps accelerate cell turnover to reveal radiant looking skin. I love it. It feels great. Makes your skin feel super supple. And lastly, you got to see how it opens up. So here, you open it up like this, and you see on the inside, and you would press down here, and the product comes out there, and then you would just swoop it off and put it on. And so again, you only need about the size of a pea or a pearl, and it really a little bit goes a long way. And lastly, we have an eye cream. Now, you want to use something different on your eyes rather than around here, because this kind of plumps up your skin. You really don't want your eye area plumped up, right? So this helps with fine lines and wrinkles. It helps with dark circles. It helps with puffiness. Moisturizes for 12 hours. And the tip is made with the same material they use with boxers. And it also helps stimulate microcirculation, which helps reduce puffiness. So it's really kind of neat because you can see the tip right there. So you can just apply it right here and you can go right around. You kind of stipple it here on this side and right up here. And you could even go right on the lid all over with this. And it really makes a huge difference. So that is the Timewise repair set. Now you can intermix these products with our other skincare lines to make the best fit for you. So that is something to consider as well. But I just love this set. It made a huge difference in my skin. I hope you love it too. So let me know in the comments what you think about this set. Okay? All right. And talk to your consultant about getting a sample. All right.